This is going to cost me US $449. Click on purchase a paid deferral.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel.
In this video we are going to learn how we can defer CFA exam level 1. Let's go to CFA website. This is how your CFA Institute website looks like. We will go and sign in. We'll put your email address, now your password. We'll simply go to search option and search for the defer. You can search deferral, paid deferral or defer. We will simply search defer. Press enter. Since I'm doing deferral for 2025, so I'm going to check 2025. Let's click on CFA program deferral policy. For those who are appearing in February 2025, their paid deferral window is open until 25th Feb. Below you can see types of deferral, paid deferral. We'll click on purchase a paid deferral. Let's click. This is how the page looks like. Defer your exam. Here is my name, my ID and examination time. This is going to cost me US $449. You need to read the below conditions and terms, and then in the bottom you need to accept the terms and then proceed further. Let's click on checkout. Here is your personal information you need to fill. At this time I'm in Dubai, so I'm going to select the country and region as UAE. State will be Dubai. Once you are done with the personal information, you need to click continue. Since I'm applying from Dubai, there is no tax. If you are doing a deferral from India, there will be a tax around in between $70 to $100. Now you need to put your payment details, debit or credit card. Once the information is filled, agree the terms and condition. Click on place order. Enter the passcode. Click on continue. This is how we purchase a deferral for CFA exam. We will simply go to the website and do the exam reschedule once again, as we did for the first time during the enrollment. I'll wait for the email from the institute. Once I get the email from the institute, I'll get the coupon code, and the coupon code I need to put on the website. I'll show you the further steps going ahead. Now I have received the deferral code voucher. This is the voucher code. I need to do the enrollment back again, same as I did during the first time enrollment. So this will be the voucher code instead of making another payment. So I no need to make another payment. I just need to enter the voucher code during the enrollment for the deferral. Let's go to the CFA Institute website back again. We'll search for the enrollment again. So now the deferral is available for the August at least, and if you wish to go for the November, you can go for the November, or for the next 12 months, any of the months you wish to choose. Let's say August 25, November, or if you wish to go for Feb 2026, yes, you can do for the next 12 months. I'll be going for the August 2025. Let's click on register. Click on save and continue. These are the details, just go through once. Click on save and continue. Entrance requirements, read and select. Click save and continue. Fill the required details. Click save and continue. Select the option. Save and continue. Click save and continue. Once everything is read and done, click save and continue. Read the below privacy notice, accept the agreement, save and continue. Read the agreement, accept the terms and condition, save and continue. Click save and continue. Click save and continue. Review the details once again. Click proceed to payment. Click on continue. Select the payment type as voucher. Copy and paste the voucher code you have received on your email. Click on continue. The voucher code has been applied. Now you are not required to make any payment because we have already made a payment of $449 deferral payment. Click on place order. You will receive your order ID and you can download the receipt. Return to CFA Institute homepage. Now we will check our account information. Click on CFA program. Earlier this was level 1 for February 2025. Now this is reflecting as August 25 since I have purchased the deferral and applied the voucher code for the August 2025 exam. Now you have to schedule your examination once again. So you have an option to change the center or choose the same center if the center is available for the selected month and year. I am going to choose the exam location. Let's put here India. Click on schedule your exam. Read the details. Click on next. Enter the pin code of the city and check if it is available or not. I'm going to select one of the pin code for New Delhi. Enter the captcha. Click on next. Here you can see available exam centers and choose the date and center as per your need. I am going to select 23rd August as my exam date. On the right hand side you can see the information related to the exam and date and time. Click on next. Review the information on the page. Click on complete appointment. Your appointment has been completed for the exam. Click on back to CFA Institute website. Now you can see the exam is for August 25 as deferred exam schedule, and then there is practical skills module you have to complete as per the time availability. So friends, this was the process for how we purchase the paid deferral and select the month and year for the exam, and then how do we schedule the exam centers and date. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.